Hi! This is part 4 of our Mini Brands Mini Minis Fill the Fridge unboxing. In our last video, we started acquiring some duplicates. Let's hope for none today. Maybe it was a bad idea to mention it. Here's our third broccoli florets, followed by our second jar of kombucha. And our first new item today is the Pizza Hut chicken wings. This magnet looks like it might be a slice of supreme pizza. Our second bottle of water. The Ben & Jerry's Oreo cookies and cream ice cream. And the Ore-Ida shredded hash browns. The background's starting to get a little crowded. See you in part 5.